Hello guys, welcome. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to remove header from second page in Microsoft Word. Let us begin. In first step, go to View tab, choose multiple pages to show side by side your pages. As we can see, in all the pages we have header. I want header on first page only. Now double click on the header of the first page. Under header and footer options, take different first pages. Now go to the second page, select the header, copy, and paste in the first page. Go to the second page, select the header, and press backspace. Double click on the blank area. Now header removed from all the pages except page 1. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. For more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us and don't forget to like the video.